What in the hell? Is that metal? Yo, that's... Hey, what's up, Twitch? Boy, we'll see you 3 back another video today, man. Today, we talking shit about some Q50s, bro. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear, bro, you're driving a Camaro. I don't want to... Bro, get your face out of your ass. And take this advice I'm giving you, bro. I'm just topping it up with you, bro. This is a conversation. We're just chopping it up, dude. You ain't gotta be so serious. Anyway, let's talk about it, man. We talking about Q50. We talking about... I say... Infiniti did that thing with the G's, G37, G35, fire. They like, we gotta up the ante. You know what I'm saying? Came out with the Q50. Shouts out my boy in the terrible FRS right here. They said we got up the ante. Damn, it's a Q50 right behind me. So they said we got up the ante, bro. Give it a whole new body design, whole new body lines. Give it a upgraded interior. Some people still don't like the interior. I think the interior looks amazing. Get some new interior, and let's switch it up, man. We done been naturally aspirated for a little minute. We done used and abused the VQ platform. Let's make something else. Even in the early years of the Q50, they came out with they had a 3.7 version. Y'all didn't know that. 250, no, they came with a 3.7 version. I can't remember what year they came out with a 3.0. But they decided, let's retire the V. Well, they didn't completely retire the VQ. They said, let's introduce something different, man. Let's take a look at BMW. They've been rocking they 3-liter inline 6, they twin turbocharged 3-liter inline 6, introduced in 2007. Good platform, N54, whatever, woo-de-woo. They said, let's make our own little variation, but you know, we're not German boys, you know? We're not German. We're not with the inline unless it's a 4-banger. V6, we got the V6, VQ, V6, what the whoop. They said, let's make a twin turbocharged V6. And boom, you got the VR30. Now, before we even get into all that, I love Q50s, man. I low-key wanted one. So here we go. So they came in 3 variations. You had the 2.0 liter turbocharged engine. That was pushed like 200. You had the 3-liter twin turbocharged engine, the VR30, that was pushing 300 horses. Or they came out of Red Sport on the racetrack. Then you got the 3.7-liter V6, pushing like 328 horses. And on top of that, they came out of Red Sport, the Q50 Red Sport, and that came 400 horses, the same 3.0-liter twin turbocharged V6. When it comes to making power, these things can do it. They have a crazy tuning potential. I've seen people do some crazy shit. I've ridden in multiple, you know what I'm saying? They did crazy shit. I'm talking about 600 horses to the wheels. Now, they have the tuning potential. They can make the power. The question's not if it's gonna blow up. It's gonna be when it's gonna blow up. These shits blow up. They engines blow up. They're not built like that. Now you can get by, I say you can get by 450 wheel horsepower very reliably. Like 450 wheel horsepower very reliably. You ain't gotta worry about blowing your shit up. As soon as you pass that threshold, you gotta rebuild that whole block, you gotta rebuild that whole engine, you gotta rebuild a whole bunch of shit, all new fuel lines, all that, everything. Whole 9 yards. You know what I'm saying? But that's what you wanna do, you already know that that's what you gotta do type shit. So, other than that, they're beautiful machines, bro. They look good. They have hella aftermarket support, dog, hella. Carbon fiber, everything. That Q50 right there, carbon fiber, everything. From lips to spoilers to fenders, hoods, trunks, roofs. You know what I'm saying? It's just, I mean, you can make these cars show builds. You make these cars show builds, street builds. I don't think I've ever seen anybody track a Q50, but I'm pretty sure they track them. They track them. I'm pretty sure they track them. Why wouldn't they? They make a lot of power. You make a monster drag builds. You can drift these joints. You can do about anything you want to do. Is it the most optimal? Probably not, but it can be done. That's with any car though. People out here drifting Honda Civics. If you got the money to do it, do it. Oh, it's a GT, it's a 3.5. Oh, I miss my 3.5, man. Had that bit nice and right. Damn. Anyway, Anyway, you gotta love it, man. I feel like they sound crazy. The tuning potential is there. I just don't see. It's a good car, bro. It's really a good car. You can kind of do whatever you want with it. That's the one thing I love about it. It's a 4-door, cheap on insurance. You can bring the whole gang, bring your family. Is it spacious? Not really, but it's still 4 doors. And grown people can fit back there. Unlike this car, I mean, you can fit back there if you want to, but you probably not have a good time. You know what I'm saying? Let's talk car scene. Q50s in the car scene. On Instagram and TikTok, you see them a lot, but out here in Atlanta, you don't see Q50s. Actually, no, I think about out here in Atlanta, you don't really see Q50s. You really don't. You see a lot of G's, a lot of Benzes. You know, you see a lot of G's, a lot of Beamers, Hellcat, Scat Packs, Mustang. You don't really see Q50s, so they're good cars to build. They look great, fantastic. They handle pretty good, pretty reliable. If you're not gonna try to boost it, you're not gonna try to, like, you know, build that shit to like over 500 horses. Cause you gotta start doing a whole bunch of other shit, you know. But yeah, next video we're gonna get into cars that are perfect to just build, like like not as a daily, a car you buy. You have your daily already. You buy this car as a project car. And then who knows, I might do the same. This is my daily right here. I'm gonna need a daily for my daily. But the cheap route, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, I just want to get you one. Me and got you, you better get you one. I think I'm gonna give you one. If I get mine for you, yours, I'm gonna take city up. For real. Alright, we out.